Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Here is a very good news for all the engineers here, whoever else is watching this video. Bharat Electronics Limited is going to recruit engineers in trainee engineer and project engineer discipline, and total number of vacancy is more than 500 as you can see here on the screen. In trainee engineer discipline, total number of vacancies is 308, and for project engineer this is 203. And they are going to recruit engineers in various engineering disciplines, what I am going to discuss. So if you look at the trainee engineer discipline, if you belong to unreserved category, then upper age limitation as on 1st of August is 25 years only. And reserve posts are also there. Out of 308, 128 seats are for unreserved category of candidates, 31 for EWS, 83 for OBC, 47 for SC and 23 for ST. And consolidated monthly remuneration of 25,000 will be provided for the first year, 28,000 for the second year, 31,000 for the third year respectively. So if you look at the project engineer post, total number of vacancies is 203 as I already have mentioned, and our upper age limitation is 28 years. Here also total number of vacancy has been distributed among various reserved category of various reserved categories, and consolidated monthly remuneration will be 35,000, 40,000, 45,000 and 50,000 for the first, second, third and fourth consecutive year respectively. And friends, project location and place of posting will be Bengaluru complex of Bharat Electronics Limited. And now if you look at the other informations regarding this recruitment notification, upper age limitation is 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC and 10 years for person with disabilities as per government norms, like all other recruitment notifications. Before we proceed to the other informations, I would like to inform all of you, if you are watching our videos for the first time and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any upcoming engineering recruitment notification updates, because Exams Made Easy is the only channel from where you will get each and every engineering recruitment notification updates every day, be in our YouTube channel or in our Telegram channel. So if you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, then a link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link, you can join the same. And if you see the other informations regarding this recruitment notification, though regarding the salary and allowances I have already mentioned, and term of engagement, that's what I also have mentioned. The most important part of this recruitment is the qualification part. So for project engineer and for trainee engineer as well, 4 years full-time BE or BTech in engineering course is required from a reputed institution or university in the engineering discipline of what are the engineering disciplines. This is the most important part, that is electronics or electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication or only telecommunication, or communication, mechanical, electrical and electronics, etc. So you can see civil engineering is not acceptable here. First class is the indicated qualification for general. So if you belong to general category, then minimum qualifying marks is 60%, that is first class. For OBC, EWS candidates, and pass class for SC. Sorry friends, first class for general, OBC and EWS, and only pass class for SC, ST and person with disabilities. So if you look at the other informations regarding this recruitment, I'll be showing you one by one each and everything regarding this. Post qualification experience as on 1st of August 2021. What are the post qualification experience that are required? For trainee engineer, friends, fresh engineering graduate in the indicated discipline may also apply. So this is very good thing of this recruitment notification. That means if you are a fresher, if you don't have any post qualification experience, then also you can apply. Freshers should have completed 8 semester examinations in all other requirement for award of engineering degree in 2021 and should produce provisional degree certificate also. Since you have completed your final year this year only, so possibility of getting final certificate is very minimal. That's why provisional certificate is also acceptable. If you would like to apply for project engineer, then 2 years relevant post qualification experience is required. So for experienced candidates, I would like to suggest to apply for the project engineer post. And for freshers, obviously you have only choice, that is trainee engineer. If you look at the selection procedure, this is also one of the most important part of this recruitment. Candidates should meet the qualifying criteria as specified in the advertisement, and online application should be accepted. So if you are eligible as per according to your qualification, then you have to apply online. A merit list will be prepared. That means depending on the qualification and the experience, a merit list will be prepared. And if you look at the merit list, friends, 75% marks will be allotted for aggregate marks scored in BE or BTech, and 10% marks will be allotted for relevant work experience. That means 75% and 10%. And then candidates will be shortlisted for the interview based on the above two in the ratio of 1:5. That is, if one number of vacancy are there, then 5 number of candidates will be called for the interview. And 15%, that is 100 minus 75 and plus 10, that is 85, 100 minus 85. Remaining 15% marks is allotted for the interview. Candidates have to compulsorily provide the CGPA conversion to percentage. I think you know how to convert CGPA into percentage. If you have any confusion regarding this, also you can ask me. I'll solve your problem. Please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. And I am extremely sorry for not being able to make this video on time. I am quite late on this, and that's why the last date is 15th of August 2021. Very few time, only near about 6 to 7 days are remaining, but no worry, because you have to apply online. So 2 or 3 days is more than enough for this. Please apply online, and if you have any problem, please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. And now coming to application fee. For SC, ST and PWD candidates, you have no need to pay any application fee, but for general, EWS and OBC, you have to pay rupees 500. For project engineer and for trainee engineer, you have to pay rupees 200. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. I think this much is enough for applying online. And if you would like to collect this officially published PDF copy, you can collect the same from our Telegram channel, as well as a link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link also, you can download the same. Thanks for watching as always. Please let us know by commenting below in the comment box you have liked this video or not. And if you would like to get this kind of video notifications regarding engineering recruitment, then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.